your blog, are you?
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Should I get out?
So that's a prime rib. Where did that little prime rib come from?
Sobeys.
And how long did you cook it? At what temperature?
We cooked it to 133 Fahrenheit.
133 degrees Fahrenheit.
133, yeah. That's my famous formula.
Oh,
People always ask me about that.
really?
Oh, yeah.
133. Oh, and where are those from? Sobeys?
No, Camille's garden.
Camille's garden.
He stole them.
He's gonna find out
Oh,
if
yeah.
he reads the blog. What's that?
Some turnips.
From Sobeys?
And
From
Oh, yeah,
Camille's
Sobeys.
garden? Did you
Potatoes.
steal those too?
no,
No.
just the beet greens.
Those are all Sobeys.
It's like Robin Hood. Yum.
Gravy.